So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to remove background in Ibispaint X when it comes to the hair part, and also some retouch if it's needed. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and don't forget to like and comment and share it with your friends or family or your enemies, whoever it. First of all, I want to tell you guys one thing is that don't ever use digital pen for removing backgrounds, because as you can see it gives you this rough edge which is really bad. So never use digital pen. Instead you can use felt tip pen. Felt, yes, felt. So now you can see that the difference, you can get a smooth cut compared to this one. So never use digital pen. Okay, so if you want you can erase it like this. It's totally up to you. If you want to get more control of it, you can use drawing tool like Bezier curve or polyline, whichever suits you. So once you select polyline, you can make these points like this, and also you can increase the size like this and adjust its opacity as well. So that's one of the method I use. And the second method is special tool. So in special tool you can see we have lasso eraser. So this way you can, let me show you. Okay, so this is the same method. I mean, not the same method, but you can see we can get a smooth cut like this. So these are like my main two methods of removing backgrounds. Now let's talk about removing the hair. So when it comes to hair, I'm gonna use hair eraser. Yes, here you can see oil hair. So with this brush you can wait, let me, okay, with this you can let me change the color. Okay, now you can see we can nicely erase the hair area like this, making it look less flat. So this way you can remove the hair area. So this is how I remove my backgrounds and patch up my hair if it's needed. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to leave a like and comment on this video something nice so that the algorithm thinks that this video is a nice video and will be pushed to new viewers. It will be a really helpful thing for me. So make sure to like, comment and share this video and support me. So until then, see you in another video. Bye bye.